Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 8+ Hiface package and model files accessible. Once installed, launch Hiface with your image or webcam argument to initialize the detector. This triggers model loading so you can see immediate feedback. Make sure to set model path if models aren't in. /models. You'll also want to enable verbose logging for the first run so you can spot missing dependencies or permission issues before moving on to detection. Now you configure detailed options. Choose single face for one subject or batch for many images. This controls memory and speed. Once done, set the confidence threshold to 0. 5 or higher to reduce false positives and tweak scaling to match image resolution for stability. Make sure to enable landmark output if you need shape angle data, because those points drive classification. Finally, execute detect with save results to generate annotated images and a JSON summary for later. To finish, inspect the annotated outputs and the JSON file to confirm face shape labels, because visual validation ensures model choices worked as expected. If results are noisy, make minor threshold or scaling changes and rerun on cropped face regions for cleaner input. This often yields better classification. If you hit runtime errors, try updating your GPU drivers or run in CPU mode. Many issues stem from incompatible CUDA or missing drivers, so switch modes and test again to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.